Clean eating refers to consuming whole foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. I don't actually like the term clean eating. In fact, I hate the term clean eating because it implies that other foods are dirty, and I don't think clean and dirty is the right way to describe food. Nevertheless, this is the term that people are using. So in this video, I'm going to look at 7 clean eating, aka healthy eating tips that will help you lose weight and feel great. Number 1, bring out your inner chef. Many people depend on fast food and other quick, unhealthy food choices to get them through busy days. The problem is, if you regularly eat food on the go like that, it is an unhealthy behavior. Although it's not practical for everyone to cook all meals at home, preparing fresh, healthy food for yourself should be a priority whenever possible. So think about batch cooking meals and portioning for the week, which brings me to point number 2, meal prep for success. Prepping bulk meals for the week ahead ensures that you'll have healthy options every day. It also keeps you from making poor choices out of desperation. For example, say you're coming home from work late, knowing that you have a healthy meal prepared for you and waiting in the fridge or freezer at home is going to stop you from calling in to Burger King on the way home. Number 3, cut out added sugar. Eating too much added sugar has been linked to a wide array of health problems, including obesity and type 2 diabetes and heart disease. When transitioning over to a healthy eating pattern, foods and beverages with added sugar should automatically be phased out. Now, using healthy substitutes for your favorite sweet treats can satisfy cravings and keep you on track. For example, swap your nightly bowl of ice cream for Greek yogurt topped with berries. Swap milk chocolate for dark chocolate, 85% cocoa or more. Little things like that makes a big difference. Number 4, shop the perimeter. The perimeter or outside of the grocery store usually contains the fresh produce and healthy protein sources like eggs, yogurt, and poultry. The interior aisles of the grocery store can contain healthy items like canned beans and nuts, but usually where most of the unhealthy items like chips and candy and soda are located. So making it a priority to fill your cart with foods from the perimeter first, including vegetables, fruits, proteins, before moving onto the interior part of the store can help you stay on track and avoid tempting treats. Number 5, don't drink your calories. Drinking just a few calorie and sugar-laden drinks per day can lead to weight gain over time and may increase your risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes. Even healthy sounding drinks like smoothies or juices can be loaded with sugar, which isn't good for weight loss or overall health. To keep your added sugar intake to a minimum, drink water, flavor-infused water, tea, coffee, even some artificially sweetened drinks. Just don't drink your calories. Number 6, take a look at labels. Reading a nutrition label lets you know if the food is filled with sugar or salt or unhealthy fats or more additives. Focusing on eating whole foods that don't need a label is always the best choice, but packaged foods can be added to your diet as long as they contain healthy ingredients. A rule of thumb when shopping is to purchase foods that contain only whole natural ingredients and are low in added sugar. For example, you can buy peanut butter, and if you look on the ingredients label, it will say 75% peanuts, palm oil, sugar, salt, and some preservatives or whatever. Or you can buy peanut butter that has 99% peanuts and then salt. Now, obviously, the second choice is the better choice. Number 7, support your local farmers. So eating healthy or clean can also mean knowing where your food comes from. There is no better way to honor this principle than to form a relationship with local farmers who grow or raise the food that you eat. Purchasing food directly from small farms means that you can be informed about the methods used to grow produce and raise animals for meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy. Supporting local farms also means supporting the local community. So if it's possible for you to do that, of course, that's encouraged. So there you have it. Try incorporating a couple of these tips every week, and before you know it, you'll be living a healthier, happier, and cleaner lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthline's Authority Nutrition YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video.